Hey girls, how are you? Hope you're having a great week. We have fun stuff to talk about today. So it came up that, well, I'll let you have a few minutes to come and join me, and I will send a couple of invitations. Ooh, who's here? Say hi, please. Oh, Ray. Hi, Ray. Sending invitations. So I can't see you just yet, but hang in there, stay there. 1 second. Okay. Ooh, hi, Chloe. How you doing, babes? So it came up, actually in Houston. I was out shopping with my beautiful client, Amanda, and we went into some nice makeup store. I don't know which one it was. I forget the name. It was like a lady's name. What's the name of the store? I think. But Patricia something? Oh, sorry for the vacuuming, cleaning ladies here. Sorry about that. Hope you can still hear me all right. Oh, actually, I can plug in my microphone. That should maybe help. So we were, okay, let me know if you can hear me okay. We were shopping, and I wanted to get some lipstick because I usually never wear lipstick. I usually always wear lip gloss. Let me see if I can show you. Actually, I think it's, oh, here it is. Maybe in my purse. Or maybe my daughter still has it. It doesn't matter. It's just clear lip gloss I get from, oh, hey, more comments. Alia, hi. Oh, thank you, Chloe. Okay. So yeah, it's just clear lip gloss from the health food store. And my lips are always dry. And so that's why I've shied away from lipstick. But I got this berry lip pencil. Oh my gosh, it's backwards. How am I gonna, the video is backwards. So this is real skill in action. So this is the most dramatic lip color I've worn in like almost years. Like I wore like something for my wedding that was like a real neutral, almost a nude tone. And my husband says he loves just the clear lip gloss. He says he loves the color of my natural color of my lips. But Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and you know, I love beautiful red dramatic lips on other people, and I'm always trying to get my students, my clients to branch out, try new things, really like try to, you know, whatever makes yourself, make you feel good in, sorry, just checking to see if anyone was trying to join from Mina's group. But you know, your beauty, and I talked about this in Houston, your beauty comes from your enjoyment of your look, right? I mean, it comes from a lot of places, but when you dress up, when you do things to change your look, the beautiful part is the glow that you have and your confidence and your juiciness and you're having fun and enjoying the way you look, right? That's what's really, really attractive to anyone who's looking at you. So yeah, it's always good to try new things and just like get that like new burst, like that spike in energy, right? So, and because we're the types of creatures we are, our happiness is relative. It's always relative to what came just before, right? So like an example would be if like, have you ever like almost had a car accident? And you're like, oh my God, oh no, this is gonna be the worst day ever. The insurance, the police, like the money, like all this stuff. And then you get out of the car, or you know, whatever, you go investigate and there's no damage, nothing's to happen, or like you put on the brakes just in time. Hi everybody. And then you avoid that car accident, right? Like your physical state is exactly the same as it was before the car accident almost happened. So nothing's changed, right? But you're super happy now that your day did not have a car accident in it. Your day never was going to have a car accident in it. It just wasn't meant to happen. But believing that it was going to have a car accident meant that you got to be happy about not having the car accident, right? This is what we talk about with gratitude, like that you can always find things that you don't have to be unhappy about. But gratitude's like the life hack that allows you to be happy without anything new really happening, right? Like just with what you have. But anyway, my point is that because of the way our relative happiness works, that's why we need to always like try new things and switch things up, right? Otherwise, just sort of getting in a rut is very possible, very likely. So anyway, all this to say, I am going to be participating, and I would love for you to participate too if this speaks to you, if this is like getting your juices flowing. We'll do a red lipstick challenge starting next Friday. So next Friday would be like the 7th, I think, right? And then doing, so, you know, when you get a new haircut, you're not, like, you're going to feel weird, right? Putting red lipstick on for the first time. So that's why I think that give it a week, do it every day, let yourself get adjusted to how you look, and just see where you are, just see what happens, and observe how your week goes. And this would be leading right up to Valentine's Day, if you've got a Valentine, if you're hoping to find a Valentine, if you're hoping to just enjoy life without a Valentine, whatever the case may be, this will give us a week to tap into that juicy red lipstick energy. Okay, so what do you think? Are you in? Is this interesting? Who wants to do it? Chloe says, I'd love it. Okay, great. Yay, Chloe. Okay. So we have to obviously post selfies and get used to seeing ourselves with the red lipstick. So just every day we'll post it, make sure everybody's doing it, holding accountable. And then what I need from you, I need some help, is like, which red lipstick? I mean, sure, we can all have our own, but I don't know. Like I just said, I don't know anything about lipstick. I haven't worn it in years, and I don't know what color. And I also am trying to stay away from chemicals, like detoxing and working on my health and fertility. So what are some good natural brands, or like what help? What should I try? Maybe we need to have like a field trip, virtual field trip out. I'll totally do this. A live video from like a makeup counter, or, you know, trying things on and see. I don't know. What do you girls think? I need some ideas. I need to know what you think. Chelsea says, cute idea. Okay, good. Yay. Yeah, so tell me if you're a makeup expert, if you're a lipstick expert, if you have, if you're a natural beauty expert, tell me what works, what's great, what's affordable on Amazon, or where do you get it? I think I have an Ulta Beauty here. I have a Sephora here. Where do you girls shop? Where do you get your makeup? Chloe says, I think you should go to Sephora. Okay, I will go to Sephora. I will do that. Do they have anything natural? Do they have anything chemical free there? Chloe says, that way you can try them on and find the right shade. Yeah, that's a good idea. Definitely need to like try samples. So, okay, so that is the deal. That's the challenge, starting a week before Valentine's Day. So the Fridays we can go out with our red lipstick at night, on the weekends, get used to it. And and we also talked about in Houston how, like, if you're not used to something, like if you're going out on first dates or dating or whatever, you don't want to like wear that thing for the first time on the date. Like you need to break it in and get used to it. So this will be a great opportunity for that as well. So let me know if you're joining. Oh, Chelsea says Sephora is a good place to go, or even Ulta. Yes, I do have that. Ray says your lips but better by It Cosmetics. Okay, where do you get that? I will definitely try that. The girls at Sephora will totally hook you up. Okay, okay. Yeah, I mean, I've been to Sephora, like, got my makeup there, but I haven't tried the lipstick. So I will definitely do that, and I could go live if you girls want to give me your, post your photos or videos if you are gonna try anything out, buy anything new. I would love to see that as well. So yeah, I think that's it, and then we'll just use a hashtag. If you have any ideas for a more clever hashtag, like that was all I came up with was Red Lipstick Challenge, but if there's anything else. Oh, and then we will also like somehow raise money or pick a charity. I was thinking maybe like a mom's group, like MOPS. I don't know. Any ideas for a charity that we could contribute to if we somehow raise money? I'm not sure how we're going to do that. But yeah, maybe just like a Facebook fundraiser thing. That would be fun, right? Get more participation and more ladies all juicy and excited. So yeah, let me know your thoughts and ideas and all your makeup expertise. If you're watching the replay, go ahead and comment or post and let me know which brands are best, which colors you recommend, especially chemical free. Okay, so we have our assignment. Sounds good. Okay, so next Wednesday I might do like the live trying it out, or I might have other ideas, but either way, give me your pictures, your posts, your info, and we'll talk again soon. Thanks for joining me. Yay, bye.